Hello everyone! Do you want to create these anime images in one click? This is trending on social media, so let's help you to create these images in seconds. I am going to show you easy and best way to create these arts. Let's start tutorial. First open Maidu app. You can see this AI art. Now click on Upload Photo. You can add any photo you like most. It takes few seconds. Now it's generating results. Now click on the photo you like the most. Just simply click on Save button. Here are the results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe Pisces for providing more interesting content. If you want HD images, you can get them from my Instagram. All links provided in description. Allah Hafiz.